Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above this side, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down. You keep going down here. So then you come here to show SMS from strangers here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show SMS from strangers enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.